Holy shit, you gotta see this. Here we go. You know something's gonna happen.
Oh no! Oh no! Holy shit! Lay down, baby. Lay down.
And aside from the problems he has with hitting the deer, he also has a crack on his ass. I don't know if that was there before he crashed, but he's got a crack on his ass now.
Holy shit.
Let's watch that one more time. Right there.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yep.
Holy shit! Lay down, baby. Lay down.
So he's either got a crack on his ass or an ass on his back. I'm Billy Clyde Tuggle. I'm out like a possum in the headlights.